Hola clase. This video is all about the verb acabar de, which means to have just done something. So for instance, if I said acabo de salir, that means I just went out. Notice that I conjugated the part acabo coming from acabar de. I did not conjugate salir. So the rule with this is anytime you have two verbs in a row, you only conjugate the first verb, not the second verb. So for instance, if I wanted to say we just ate fajitas, I would say acabamos de comer fajitas. How I got my acabamos part is this is the present tense ending of the AR verb acabar. Or if I said you just saw a mariachi band, I could say acabas, because my to ending in present is as, de ver unos mariachis. And that's how I would say that. So summary, conjugate the acabar part to your present tense. Once again, the present tense endings for an AR verb like acabar go o for yo, tu, as, el, ella, a, nosotros, amos, vosotros, you don't need to know, and ellos, ellas, ustedes would be on. So then that would turn into acabo, acabas, acaba, acabamos, acaban. And this video was so short, I could say acabas de aprender el verbo acabar. You just learned the verb acabar.